Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome to Mardi Gras World.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to our unsettled journey.
We're getting ready to check out the Mardi Gras World Museum here in New Orleans. This is right next to the Mississippi River in the Convention Center. We took the free shuttle from Canal Street over here to Mardi Gras World, so the round trip shuttle is free. You just have to call. When you check in, they do give you beads for a ticket and a slice of king cake. Right now the tour is self-guided, so you watch a 15-minute video and then do a self-guided tour throughout the warehouse. This is where all the Mardi Gras floats are built, and it takes about a year for the Mardi Gras floats to get fully constructed, so it is a round-the-year operation, and this museum is open 7 days a week from about 9:30 till 5:30 at night. Tours start every hour. Our tour is set for 12 noon. Since Mardi Gras is such a big tradition here and part of the history here in New Orleans, we definitely didn't want to miss this, and as you will see when you search things to do in New Orleans, this pops up all over the place, so this is a must-see attraction, so we're very excited to check it out.
And we're going to watch a little bit of a brief introduction video, and then we'll go on over and take a little bit of a tour of Mardi Gras World. In 1984, Mardi Gras World was created as a tourist attraction that provides visitors a behind-the-scenes look of how Mardi Gras floats are made.
Everyone on the floats must wear a mask or face paint. It's not only a tradition, but a law in New Orleans.
Kern Studios is the famous family-owned business that constructs many of the Mardi Gras floats and has been since the 1930s. Mardi Gras was rarely ever canceled, this year being an exception of course, along with yellow fever outbreak in the 1870s.
The best thing about Mardi Gras Parade is it's free. People call it the greatest free show on earth.
Mardi Gras is based upon biblical roots. Traditionally, the kings, towards the end of the Christmas season, would visit baby Jesus and bring goods, possibly even cake as well.
Most king cakes are baked with a tiny baby figure on the inside. Whoever finds the toy, as the tradition holds, must host the next big party. Crews choose a different theme for their floats each year, with some crews keeping their theme secret until they hit the streets.
Mardi Gras is more than just a holiday out of the year. In fact, it spans across several weeks, and locals call it carnival season, which begins on January 6th and ends on Mardi Gras, also known as Fat Tuesday, the final day of revelry before Ash Wednesday when Lent begins.
We're walking around now the huge, massive 300,000 square foot warehouse where they build and design the Mardi Gras floats. At the beginning of our tour, we watched a 15-minute history about the Mardi Gras tradition and the parades. Of course, it extends now further into the south than just New Orleans, and there are other cities participating in the carnival-style parades and festivities. But now we are among hundreds of floats from different years, some for this coming Mardi Gras. So it's really amazing and impressive to see all the artistry and hard work that goes into these. We learned that the floats are designed basically with styrofoam, and then they top that with paper mache because that material is easy to paint and really mold into whatever shape or theme you're looking to go for. They do also have a few different floats available as well for you to see. Other than just the various characters and parts, they actually have the floats that the people would stand on and throw their beads.
So they're always constantly changing. Every year there's a new float, a new theme. So they're always building new floats, and then I guess the old ones sort of come here and are put on display for those to see. So it's really cool to see all of the different floats. So we're just going to continue to walk around and to see what else catches our eye.
There can be anywhere from about 15 to 40 full-size floats in a Mardi Gras parade.
"Throw me something, mister," became a famous line during the Mardi Gras parades. In the early days of the tradition, the crews used to throw food and or dirt. However, times have turned to beads, which symbolize wealth, health, and prosperity upon the beholder.
There are three main colors of Mardi Gras. Green represents faith, gold symbolizes power, and purple is justice. The court gesture and the iconic funny hat have become a symbol for Mardi Gras and is purely meant to entertain and spread cheer.
Economic impact reports indicate that Mardi Gras generates over $1 billion in annual spending. So thank you all very much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the tour of Mardi Gras World. And as always, don't forget to hit that big subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. We do appreciate the support, and let us know if you've ever been to New Orleans before. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you all next week.
Bye.
Bye.